Hello, in this video we're going to look at Bitable, which is a tool that allows you to create animated videos. Teachers can use them to create information videos about a topic for students. Students can create videos for specific performance tasks, and the creator of the video gets a link to the video so that it can be shared with others. So let's check out and demo Bitable. So your first step is to create your Bitable account. So you'll go to bitable.com and you can either sign up for free or log into your existing account. Upon logging in, you're able to see the videos that you've already created, and then you can choose to create a new video. What's great about this tool is you can find a template, so you can pick one that's already kind of schemed together and use your template that way, or you can start from scratch. You can kind of filter by looking that I'm making a video to explain something, present something, promote something, or share an idea, and then you can use it for your business, a course, an event, a product, a service, that kind of thing. So that may give you some understanding as to what you're trying to do to help filter those. So maybe I'm trying to explain something. I'm trying to explain a concept to someone, and I can find a template that might fit that. If you want to see what the video is like, you can hover over it and it will actually play the video to kind of give you an idea of what it's sort of entailing. So if you choose to make one from scratch, you can just give it a name, and this will give you the availability to look at all of the different templates. So you can look at ones that are animated. You can look at actual footage. So this would pull more realistic looking type things. So you could use those if that's what you're wanting to create, or if you prefer the animated look, you can use more of the super animated look, or you can choose more of the real. Notice that with using the real ones, some of them allow you to upload images to be put into the video itself. After you pick your scene, you can add in your text. You can change to what you would like the text to look like, what font you would like for it to have. You can adjust the timing on it, so you can make it a shorter version of the scene. By default, it's going to be 5 seconds. You can make it shorter if you want it 3 seconds. And then you can add in another scene. Now you can mix and match scenes. You might have some that are realistic and then it goes over to the animation. You can choose whichever you like, whatever scene you would like. And again, you hover over it and you'll be able to see what the scene is going to involve. So as you're adding in scenes, you can add another scene by clicking this plus scene down at the bottom, and you'll be able to see a running theme of your scenes. And you can always reorder them by dragging and moving around if they kind of get out of order. And you can always save and preview if you would like to. So when you're finished adding in your scenes, you can go to the color option, and this will allow you to have a color palette. And this is more for when you're doing animated videos versus the realistic looking videos. You can pick, kind of what color scheme you would like. And again, that's going to mainly play more of a role with the animated videos rather than the real videos. Then you can choose your audio, and so you can select a track of music just to play in the background of your video. You can play it here, and then you select it here. After you've selected your audio, you can preview your video and choose it to build your preview. After it gets done rendering, you can watch your video here. Notice it does have some watermarks on it, but that's because you're using the free version. But notice that it's just going to put in your text on top of the images that you previously selected. And you'll hear the images play, or the music playing in the background. So if you're satisfied with that, you can go ahead and publish this video to publish it into Bitable. It's very important that if you go back to your timeline and edit anything, you have to rebuild the video. So it's got to reproduce that video. So if you went and made a change, this is going to be the old changes. You have to rebuild the video, let it rebuild it, and then publish the video again. So once we're satisfied, we publish the video. And then it's going to ask us to make any edits that we need to make. And then this will be our video link that we can use with our students. Notice that right now the privacy is set to public, and notice that you could actually get the embed code if you wanted to embed it into a website or whatnot. You can share it there if you want to. You can give it a rename the title if you want to. If you want to do that. And then there will be your video link that you can use to share. And that is how to use Bitable.